Oh, hi, good morning. I just thought I'd give you a quick 2 minute tip about how to make a good basket better. This is a hanging basket we prepared a couple of weeks ago. As you can see, the flowers are starting to come and they're looking pretty. Now, what I'm going to do, you're probably not going to like, but this is going to make this good basket so much better, right? And it's going to be chopping it back already, even though it's a young basket. What I'm going to, let me just get this, and then what I'm going to be taking off. See these grows, you might think it's a shame to cut the flowers off, but I'm going to be cutting these back to just above, just in front of a leaf node, maybe here, possibly here, but quite back hard, like so, like so, like so, giving it quite a shave, a short back and sides, as it were, on there. You know what, I'm going to get these in some water as well and make some cuttings from those, but that's beside the point. I'm going to go around and do that on all of these. So, and the reason being, every time you cut back, that gives the plant a new opportunity to, where you cut back one shoot, it can then make two shoots, and two shoots could make two flowers. Four shoots, four flowers. I'm not very good at maths, but even I know that that's got to be a good thing. On there, the fuchsias are just starting to flower at the top. Be a little bit careful about cutting those back because they do take quite some time to get into the flowering mode, but I don't want them too thick and overpowering on the top, so I'm just going to nip those back a little bit there. And then these side flowering bidens, as long as you go in front of a leaf node where the leaves come out of the stem, then they're going to shoot out and go again. I mean, sometimes honestly I just grab them and give them a haircut like that, especially on things like these verbenas. Just give them like a short back and sides because they'll find their own way. Lobelia, this will grow and trail and come right down almost to the floor, very, very flowery, very long, but if I cut that like that and give that a trim, that'll be twice as thick and more sort of compact and bushy. That's what we want. Same with this Nemesia, beautiful flowers. By sacrificing these, oh don't worry, these will be back 2 weeks maximum, they'll be back flowering again, but they'll be better, so don't feel bad, you're just doing it a favour. Trim, scavolas maybe. Same with this Nepeta, to make that thicker, cut one off, it'll make two shoots from there, the plant will be twice as thick. Same with your Million Bells or Calibrachoas, you can nip those back, just makes them better. This bit of a fuchsia there, bit of a fuchsia there. So the whole thing looks neater, albeit without any flowers. But now I know that in 2 weeks' time, or even a week and a half, if this nice sunny weather keeps up that we're enjoying finally this year, this basket will be much better than if I just left it to its own devices. Okay, I hope that's useful to you. That's a good it works on your planters as well. It doesn't have to be a hanging basket. Your bedding plants, things like petunias, Million Bells, Calibrachoas, Saphinias, the trailing ones, Mimulus if you've got them. Almost everything. If you can give it a bit of a nip back early in the season, you'll get so much more out of it through the year. And then of course when it's flowered a lot and deadhead, don't forget to deadhead them and take off the actual seed head when you take the deadhead off, and then the plant's got to then make more flowers to do its thing. Okay, I hope that's useful. I'll see you on the next one.